Good afternoon. My name is Robert Cook. I am the Distribution Account Manager for Logitech, covering the TD SYNNEX account. Want to take a minute and really showcase a product that we're extremely proud of, extremely excited about. It's in distribution. You can get it now. Is the rAVe Huddle. The rAVe Huddle is a brand new device that Logitech has come out with. Really 1 to 6 in the meeting room. Opportunity for C-level executives with a privacy shutter associated with it. Same technology inside of the rAVe Huddle that we've used in our other portfolio of rAVe products. We want to make sure you guys understand this is a game changer. This is an opportunity to get in front of that hybrid work environment, wherever you want to be able to meet and have meeting equity. We have a tremendous amount of products, but here at the InVision for TD SYNNEX here in Charlotte, we're showcasing the rAVe Huddle, so make sure you stop by and see us, but also engage the Logitech team at TD SYNNEX on how you can become a partner and learn more about all of our different products to make sure we fit the hybrid solution for whatever your meeting may need.